Yo, this is C Productions. I've been out the game for mad long. The reason why I haven't wanted to make videos is because I don't want to show my face to the public anymore. You feel me? But fuck it, I gotta do it. Whatever. Alright, so this is going down. This is what I'm gonna talk about. I'm gonna talk about all three big fights. Well, matter of fact, 4 big fights coming up. There is Marcos Maidana versus Devon Alexander in a 10-round fight. There is Brandon Rios versus Yuriorkis Gamboa. Mayweather Cotto. Bradley Pacquiao. My prediction, I'm going to give a prediction for Maidana and what's his name, Alexander. Alright, this is going to happen. It's going to be a tight fight. As we all know, Maidana is a B- fighter. He goes in there, he throws power shots, hoping to land. He doesn't box much. He has a weak chin. And, well, I see this match. The difference will be a knockout. If Maidana can get a knockout, he will win. If he can't get a knockout, Alexander will win by decision because Alexander's going to come to box and Maidana's going to come to try and get a lucky right. You know what I mean? My prediction for the fight is, I think, if he lands his little stupid hits, Maidana could beat Alexander. Both these men are low B fighters, you feel me? Now let's jump ahead. Let's talk about Brandon Gamboa. That's going to be a hell of a fight. I don't know how it's going to be televised yet. I know it's going to be on HBO. I don't know if it's going to be pay-per-view or regular HBO. Who knows? But I'm really looking forward to it. Brandon Rios is a B fighter. Gamboa is a B fighter. We expect a B fight with a lot of excitement. But I don't think Gamboa could take Brandon's power. I think that would be the difference. Brandon is like a Margarito. He's going to come to you. He's not going to stop. I just don't see it in Gamboa to beat Brandon. I'm sorry, man. It's going to be a good fight, 135 for the vacant title. I can't wait, man. Raul Garcia, that's my boy. I hope they pull it out. I really think they will. I don't see Gamboa beating Brandon Rios. I don't see it. Now, Mayweather, Cotto, hell of a fight. A lot of people say Cotto is a B fighter. He's an A fighter. And Mayweather is the best of this era. It will be a hell of a fight. If Cotto is serious, he will go in there in the first 4 rounds. He has to do some serious damage, and he has to win at least 2 rounds for it to be a good fight. If not, expect the wipeout. Mayweather's he's a beast. Cotto is looking good. He's looking sharp. But look at the Pacquiao fight. It wasn't enough, man. Pacquiao and Mayweather are on another level. Now let's talk about Pacquiao Bradley. Bradley, I don't see nothing impressive about this kid, man. Who has he been in the ring with that has been a test? Devon Alexander? Who has Devon Alexander beat? Nobody. I see Pacquiao destroying Bradley. And, Top Rank is full of bullshit with the whole Pacquiao process. If Pacquiao's fighting a top-ranked fighter, expect Pacquiao to win. Unless this really is his last fight. Look, this is what's going to happen. Pacquiao's either going to win, like always, or he's going to lose. He's going to retire, and Bradley's going to be Top Rank's new star. You feel me? Bob Arum is going to treat Bradley like Pacquiao. He's going to try to make him an all-star, but too bad he's not. I bet you the pay-per-view numbers are going to be poor if they don't have a good undercard. I'm not convinced in buying this fight for what? To see Pacquiao beat up Bradley? I'd rather go on justin.tv.com and look for it. You feel me? Bradley doesn't have nothing in him. Victor Ortiz, Amir Khan, all them niggas have a better chance. Bradley, straight garbage, you feel me? Bradley, he has no chance. He will put up a good fight, but Pacquiao should wipe him out. Easy. The fight that's going to be really good is Cotto Mayweather. I can't wait. They're also talking about Canelo versus Mosley. What a test, man. Mosley is out of his prime. He's not the same. And Canelo is not impressive to me. That would be a good fight. But that's it, man. Just a little comeback video. So y'all know I'm still here. C Production. Holla at your boy.